release the dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boy Silence came in the belly. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there with another
Inside,
brand new banger.
inside.
banger. But as usual, guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber. By the way, I want to like the video, them, you see it. Stop, like the video, like the video, it help we. Alright? Yeah, man, but we'll get right tonight.
Get. Bruh. Get.
What? Oh, that makes sense. Yo, don't get back still in fool. Yo, no. Yo, I baddest pigeon that in the world. What that rooster you?
Bruh.
Really? Next video, no peeps.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head. Look at his.
My bad.
Stop playing with me, man. What's your zodiac sign? Because I'm trying to see.
I'm a human.
Bruh.
I don't know what zodiac sign is, but I'm a human.
A zodiac sign. A zodiac sign. Cancer, Capricorn, fucking Aquarius, Gemini. I need to know what the.
No, I don't get cancer. I don't get cancer. No, I don't have cancer.
I'm not. Oh.
What?
With tongue rings be like, oh God, you funny as shit. What? Boy, bye.
That's a joke. Yeah, I know it's true. Alright, peeps, next video now.
Test your might. Brutality.
Alright peeps, hope you guys enjoyed those clips a while ago. And they're not too big and special, but guess what? Laughter is good for the soul. And I hope some clips made you laugh or get scared like me or scream. Don't judge me, it's a man roar, okay? Anyway peeps, thank you very much for watching. And just go and journey with your boy. And comment down below and let me know what you think. And lastly, remember to check out my new page, you know, Sinus Entertainment, yeah? Go over there, hit that subscribe button and support me until the thing ready for kick off after all of this madness. Alright? Stay safe, you and your family. God bless. Ashoo!